Well, it finally happened. The MAF finally took a shit on me, and I have to replace it. Have you looked up the prices of these little plastic piece of shits online? I went online and found them as high as like $1,200, but overall, when I did my more research, it came down to about $250 for a Bosch unit. It's plastic. Come on, there's nothing that, why? So I went and found a cheap $16 eBay part. And we're gonna find out today if $16 eBay works better than $250 Bosch part. So let's go pull this and let's get to work on this and see how this works out. See if I'm making money today. All right, so I went online to a authorized Porsche dealer's website and started looking up mass airflow sensors for my car. Yeah, 1,300, 600, yeah. So I also went to one of the other websites that offer Porsche parts, and I did find the Bosch sensor for around $250. Still, a ton of money for what looks to be a little piece of plastic with a couple little electronic gizmos in it. So then on eBay, I found this mass airflow sensor, and it says it will fit my 3.2 Boxster and only $16.60 each. And is there any shipping on that? Free shipping, and oh, fast and free shipping, and it's coming out of California, so it's not on the long boat from China. Hey, $16? Fucking absolutely. Let's buy this and save the other 200 some odd dollars for beer. Let's order this. Buy now. Well, it has arrived. Our cheap $16 mass airflow sensor from China. It has to be from China for $16. And here's the one that I took out of my car. This is an original Bosch unit for the e-gas engines. And so let's see here. Let's get into this box. Let's pull this out. I'm gonna compare the two and see how they look. And so, kind of looks the same. Doesn't have all the fancy writing, but looks like it was made last year, possibly. Yep. Oh, it looks the same. I don't see a big difference. Even the little O-ring is the same green color. So let's drop this down in here and I'll button it all back up. And let's start the car and find out what happens here. Epic fucking fail. All right, so $16, big fail. Yeah, total crap, total bullshit. Take your money, go buy an original Bosch part, throw it in your Boxster or your 996, and be happy and just, buy less beer for the next couple weeks until you can recoup the money. So yeah, cheap $16 part. Fuck that shit. All right, well, now we know, so stay away from the cheap MAF airflow sensors and just go buy Bosch. So, all right, thanks guys, and we'll see you next time.